Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here with a Pixar tutorial. Before we start, you could use our preset sepia for the best results. After using the preset, you could open the image in PicsArt. Let's start. Go down, click on Add Photo, then select the overlay, add it, click on Blend, select Screen, place the overlay in a corner, and duplicate, put it second one in the next corner, okay, done. Click on FX, search for black and white, and click on black and white. Click the erase button and erase the middle portion. Okay. Then go click on mask, add some dust, click the one you prefer, so this one looks better. Then go down, again click on mask, click border, then I think the second one is better. Okay then. Okay, we are done with editing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.